Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with Remax Preferred Associates, and this is Maintenance 101, where I'm looking for ways to be able to help you take care of your home so your home takes care of you. So out of about 60 home inspections a year that I'm a part of, whether I'm representing a buyer or seller, I would say that at least half involve older homes that have some sort of bathroom ventilation issue. So on the surface, it probably doesn't seem like that's a big deal. However, if you don't have a proper bathroom vent, then you're allowing a lot of steam and moisture to develop inside your bathroom, which is going to cause mold and mildew issues. It causes issues for your paint to last a long time. And if it's not properly ventilated up into the attic, it's going to do the same there. It's going to cause mold and mildew issues, and that can get significant over time if it's gone unchecked. So what I wanted to make sure we do is give you the right information for you to make sure that your bathroom ventilation is appropriate. So today, by code, you're supposed to have a bathroom vent in the home. So there is a measurement for bathroom fan ventilation motors called a CFM, cubic feet per minute. And Bob Vila from This Old House fame, he has an easy way to be able to help you determine what size vent you need for your home. So he stated that if you have a bathroom that is approximately 80 square feet, then you need a bathroom fan that is approximately 80 CFMs, cubic feet per minute. So make sure you find the appropriate size bathroom vent, have it mounted into your ceiling as close as possible to the bathtub itself. So once you've done that, then the job is not done. You need to make sure that it's properly ventilated through the attic, not into the attic, but through the attic to the roof or directly out through a sidewall. Both are acceptable by Lucas County Code. So you want to do that with some sort of rigid tubing, whether that's steel or PVC. You don't necessarily want that kind of aluminum looking flexible stuff. Those things can rip and tear over time, especially if you might end up with a critter or two up in the attic. They can try to get into those things and cause steam and moisture to get into your attic. So you want to make sure that it's something rigid and it goes directly to the roof or directly out a sidewall in as short and as straight as a line as possible. This will ensure that you have the best ventilation possible. What you don't want is you don't want steam to develop up in your attic. You don't want mildew to develop. You don't want mold to develop. Then you turn into significant issues such as breathing issues, because the ventilation in your attic, if it's not appropriate, in addition to your bathroom vent, you could be bringing all those toxins back into your home and harming your family. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, A, always reach out to a contractor. B, call a local home inspector. And if you don't have access to somebody like that, give me a call and I'll give you a referral. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance 101, and we'll talk to you next week.